Hey guys, this is Jeff, and I just wanted to show you something in case that you run into this problem. You might run into a situation where the background image, when you open up a file, says it's missing or it's not linked. As we talked earlier, the way that the 3D Studio Max likes to work is it likes to have a set of folder, and when you unzip the project file that the guy that we're going through the tutorial with, it's created this set of different folders, scenes, assets, proxies, previews, all that. And when he recorded it, it was in his hard drive. Well, when you save it down to your own hard drive, the problem is that the images that he's looking for in his scenes, if we go to different scenes, all these scenes that he started in, using for us, the problem is it's going to try to look for the images on his hard drive. For example, I'll open up this lesson 6 start, and we can kind of see what happens. It's going to end up like this. But if we go to File, Open, and we go to lesson 6, and we click Open, see we're going to get this error that says missing external files. Users Josh, and see that's where right there, that's where the problem is. Your folder is probably not going to be the same as where he saved this original file. So when he saved it, it saved it in Josh, his documents, scene assets, image, and then there's a side JPEG that's missing. So, you could try to browse for it, and that's fine. A better way to do it would actually just reset these folders, this grouping, to use the folder that we're using. So I'm going to hit close that, and then I'm going to go to the top menu, and then right here where it says Manage, there says Set Project Folder, and this is we talked about a little bit about this the other day. This is where your computer is gonna know if you have this on, say, a key drive. If you set that project folder for the key drive, it will always look on that key drive for this. So we're gonna set the project folder, and I saved all my files in a folder called Tutorials. So I'm gonna go and find where that is, and it's not on that drive. It's actually on a different drive. So it's down here on my. Now this will be different for yours, but for right now, mine is in this one. So I'm going to go down to Tutorials, and then I have a folder called 3D Studio Max, and in that folder is this Introduction to Modeling. So the images that it's looking for is probably in the scene assets right here, but all I got to do is give it to the top level, and that should be okay. Now, if I want to, let's see, File, I'm going to reopen it up. And now I can click Browse, and I want to modify or add a folder. I'm just going to find that folder again where I saved it. Mine, once again, is in Tutorials. And this time I'm going to go right down to that folder and click Use Path. And there it is. So it's now popped up on my drive. So I want to go ahead and save this, make sure I save it, and then, for future reference, whenever you start a new file, always set that project folder to the right place. Okay?